Tēnā koutou katoa. Haere mai ki no Frills te Reo Māori, where we delve into another sentence structure that you can practically use around your kāinga. Catch this. Have you ever walked down the road with your mate and you've been talking away and then you look up and you go, whew, how much for that house? And it's this flash house on this crusty street. How much for that? Or you're used to eating chuck steak and shin steak, and then someone puts those eco bags up on your bench and you're sifting through and you pull out a tray of eye-fillet steak and you go, mate, how much for this? This is the sentence structure. He aha te utu mō titara. How much for titara? Remembering, tēnei, tēnā, tērā. Using that house example. Whew! He aha te utu mō ērā whare. The steak example. E hoa. He aha te utu mō tēnei miti au we. Ne? Ka rawe. Now, when giving an answer to this, we need to master these two words. Dollars, cents. Dollars. Tāra. Draw out that first A. It's very important. Tāra. Dollars. Hēneti. Cents. Tāra. Hēneti. Before I get into 3 examples, just to hit this home, remember this. If you're answering and the first number is 9 or under, simply add an e at the start of the sentence, an e, an e. If it's $9, $8, $7 or under, e, then get into it. For example, he aha te utu mō tēnei pene. This pen is $3. So we're going to answer e, toru, tāra, te utu mō tēnei pene. Ka pai? If this is your first time doing this sentence structure, don't freak out because I'm giving the long answer. Very shortly we're going to ninjafy the answer. Keep it short. Okay. What if there's some cents in here? So this is $6.05. He aha te utu mō tēnei pene. $6.05. Should answer something like this. E, ono, tāra, rima, hēneti. Te utu mō tēnei pene. Ka pai? And final example, this is $10. Kuti kuti, scissors. Kuti kuti. He aha te utu mō ēnei kuti kuti. Think te kau, okay, it's above 9, doesn't need an e, simple. Te kau tāra, $10. Te kau tāra te utu mō ēnei kuti kuti. Ka rawe, ka pai. We're going to head to the next few examples where you're going to take part in this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to lift up about 5 or 6 different objects, turn them around, there's a price tag on them. The keen ones will pause the screen and try and answer it themselves. Once you release pause, I'm going to give you the answer. So get in there quick. Alrighty. The first one. He pīkau. Now, we're going to ninjafy these answers. All I want you to give is the dollar value. So you don't have to say $6.50 is the total of this bag, or is how much this bag is. Just say $6.50 in te Reo Māori. I'm going to ask you the question. He aha te utu mō tēnei pīkau. Alrighty. Hopefully you've released the pause button. $60 for the pīkau. Should sound something like this. E ono te kau tāra. E ono te kau tāra. Ka pai? Piano. He piano. Piano. He aha te utu mō tēnei piano. $35.20 should sound something like this. E toru te kau mārima tāra. Rua te kau heneti. Ka pai. Puka puka, he aha te utu mō tēnei puka puka. $7.25 for this puka puka should sound something like this. E fitu tāra. Rua te kau mārima heneti. Weti peki, he aha te utu mō ēnei weti peki. $4.50 should sound something like this. E whā tāra. Rima te kau heneti. Te utu mō ēnei weti peki. Now, final example. He tīkera. He tīkera, a kettle or a jug. He aha te utu mō tēnei tīkera. Kārawe, I sensed most of you got this one. Te kau tāra, te utu mō tēnei tīkera. Hopefully that made sense e hoa mā. Kārawe. Alrighty, ka mutu, pēhea tērā. Ka rawe, I'll see you next time. Until then, kia pai tō wiki. Hei kōnā.